umuntu ogulayo kakhulu ngaleso sikhathi uyafa usebhenjini true nasi ngiyakutshela Brian uyafa noma bathi ikliniki empty ngoba amalentuzana ama foreigner ahambile it's a lie ikliniki igcwele kanje ama doctor wekho awasebenzi not ukuthi awekho awasebenzi angaba khona ilantshi akhona mfethu like ahambe
khawukhelo
ngilikhohlwa kanjani legama bengithi ngenye likhohlwa ngilikhahla kanjani legama khawukhelo munama
legama khawukhelo
alinani
yazi le joke le yacabanga useclinic idoctor iphethified izokuwait matani I'm sorry to say this but you are suffering from khawukhelo awubulawa yikhawukhelo mfana
ine khawukheli yamalethhe
ngathi disease akusemeka wena usukuthola khoneni ubhiza khoneni ubhema intsango uthi mathami ngini into le mfana ngiphethe khawukhelo mfana ngiphethe mfana ngiphethe ngamasenda mfana khawukhelo mangithi ngiyangapha khawukhelo mfana mangithi ngiyangapha khawukhelo
abafazi ukuthi banjani indoda kwamele yona ayithathe 100% provider yonke into ini akafuna ukunegotiate kanjalo yangithola na kuma and aba understand ukuthi noma i-out like kunzima ukuthi i-out ithola umsebenzi lengaphandle yangithola izinto ezikanjalo ngithola so yena ulwela amadoda
Tringevar. Yeah. For example, uyakhumbula ngilokhu ngithi ngisemathandeni majenewani. Nango sihlukene man. Ngencena lento le. Ukuthi umuntu mamtshela ukuthi mfethu kumele ngishude. Umuntu ubona ngathi wena sowujola nabanye cause futhi long distance relationship. Ubona ngathi wena sowudla abanye lana mina kumele ngishude ngipost content kodwa manje Sundowns ngidliwe. Kumele ngenze content eSundowns. Mokupuku sitele sibalela. Oh. Hey. Asazazi izinto zabelo.
Sekudala mfethu.
Yeah.
Technology.
Yeah. Fere ye wafetu. Welcome back wafetu. Finally we are back mfana. We are here, mafethu. Usangithi we are here. Hey, kumnandi sitshintshile akusase we are here. Kodwa we are back mafethu. Welcome to the first episode of the year mafethu. Niyazi bafethu esinibona ukuthi kunama changes bafethu nyana. The table is too empty manje bafethu akusana umuntu osponsayo bafethu. So if you want to sponsor bafethu you can come through bafethu sizobeka something lana bafethu yazi bafethu this is your host bafethu
lo TV abasponsor it's our channel AMTV.
Yeah.
Abasponsor bathi bakwa TV television basponsor na. So you are welcome to sponsor us. You can continue say.
Yeah. Hey ngiyashisa man. Ngokangitshela ngikhumula lo Jezi before.
Ngubhekile mina.
Oh nongibheka. Yabona? Abangane sina.
Alutho.
Yeah.
Alutho angithi ngiyakwazi phela ngithi masa abantu asifani yabona. So nama disease wethu awafani.
Oh sokuthi mina bengigoda. Oh ngiyagula mina. ngiyakula uthini ama-disease ethu awafani ngine-disease mina
Angisho.
awuthini
Ufaka amagama emlomeni.
uthini okungakufaka amagama uthini-ke
Ngisa-explaina.
Okay.
Ngizotshaja umuntu ngithi mfethu khulula ijezi. Kanti umuntu uyagula. Uzokubanda. Ngithola angithathe somehow. So kungcono ngizithulele yabo.
ngiyakula mina hayi it's fine ngiyakula bafethu it's fine
Mina ngifaka amagama emlomeni nomjida angisho.
futhi ngiyakula man yazi bafethu since ngisho ukuthi welcome back bafethu this is now not we are here podcast bafethu but it is called Facts and Laughs bafethu podcast bafethu Facts and Laughs podcast bafethu so sitilitele igama lokuthi sizoba sithi podcast and comedy manje niyazi ukuthi sikhuluma ama facts and futhi siyahleka uyangithola and now they told us ukuthi the podcast we should speak English 90% English 10% language bafethu so yeah
That's why I said please don't mind my English. I know my English is crippled.
Yeah.
I know my English is disabled. Please. Please bear with me, guys. Yes.
yeah hey kuvi yazi bafethu this is your host bafethu ke ayeye bafethu le fala badimo bafethu nakana la madi amana masipidi khacha mapulana masakheche piskinana na boy ke mokale pheko se se go nka ga se ke shake nna ke ngona tja khala ka monena matepe sa mtja ke ke marampela la makha ko sekolo sa maitjele magaliadi bafethu ke marapa chukuja ke apeu ka pitse wana ke chabe be ditekeno ba ke khampana ko as always bafethu marumelo uthola indlela ukuzintroduce angeke ngizobona maceda ngintroduce wena futhi ufila njani wena
Ayi bafethu,
Oh.
this is your boy Matiming. Bathi abanye umbiza namhlanje ufika izolo because he always keeps time.
Yeah.
Asibonge.
yes keep his time then uma timing ungana timing
Ubani mina I have timing bafethu. Okay, ngisazi introducer bafethu. Konje bathini? Bathi I'm a it's saying new there's something added kule intro yakda. Oh sorry.
yenze
There's something added kule intro le yakudala leya. Yangithola. Something new a bit nyana. You were saying last ukuthi I am a comedian.
yeah
I am a TikToker, a YouTuber, yeah, a media, whatever, you know. And uNkulunkulu ngithumele yini
hayi kholo ikija ngumangaza bandaka
ngiyazeli
ngumangaza khuluma mina ngicommunity
okay bafethu as from this year I speak theater bafethu I am a thespian. What's wrong with that?
utweet is beer
I'm a thespian, eh? Yes, I'm a thespian bafethu. Please bafethu uNkulunkulu makathandile there will be more performance coming more please support, show some love as I love you too. Thank you.
yeah
Yes.
Feti
Yes.
hey nizile bafethu itespeni yenu bafethu mara welcome back bafethu man ekudala sile sayigcina lento sayigcina nile bafethu sagcina nene ku podcast bafethu
Siyangingiza nokungingiza.
hey wena but yeah bafethu as manje nisibona sikanje bafethu we are AM fena siphelelanga there will be a lady who will be joining us we don't know ukuthi nini but since sivulile then it means maybe our next episode she will be joining us bafethu so yeah you must expect her. I won't say her name but it will be a surprise to you bafethu someone that is
Njengegama
so
lami. Askis.
man someone so important, someone so intelligent, someone who's funny, someone who will come with facts at we are facts and laughs saying we are facts and laughs but yes we are facts and laughs tall facts and laughs yazi bafethu since sithi asina sponsor kodwa sikhona isiwani we still negotiating with it bafethu kodwa there is a potential because I'm in the company bafethu. The company bafethu is called African Breeze Property Group bafethu. Kantona uzwa ayizwakali la
ngiyayizwa mara
ukhala ukuthi ngishaye izandla before
shaya izandla me izandla zama appreciate asizwakale zamzansi ngiyazala something
yes bafethu yeah as I was saying about African Breeze bafethu I'm inside African Breeze bafethu doing the internship bafethu says ngisho ukuthi African Breeze we're gonna find a way ukuthi sisebenzisane nabo. So as I was saying ukuthi there is an internship inside bafethu and they are still looking for people bafethu. I will also post this bathini post lana screen ukuze nibone bafethu. So lana ithi African Breeze Property Group we are looking for you. Now we are hiring. Basic training will be offered by the agency. Send your resume or send your resume to info. You can send it to you can send it to africanbreeze.co.za or you can call the company at 011 204 3809 bafethu or main office. You can call the main office at 081 307 8316. Riverside View call, you can call at 067 633 729 bafethu. Na plug bafethu African Breeze Property Group bafethu. Ama phone angaka bafethu. Send your email manje ungaphuthela bafethu. Opportunity lena you're gonna get bathini on the internship there is a stipend bakufundisa and then at the end of the internship bafethu you're gonna get the certificate bafethu. After getting the certificate you're gonna be able to be your own agent to sell bafethu. And you can also sell while we are on the internship bafethu. While you sell, if you sell a property you get a certain percentage bafethu. People who are from around Ipo, Nickelfontein, Ivory Park, there is an office there bafethu next to Lifestyle bafethu. Iblue uzebona mawuvela kanje from Spa uzebona ibhaliwe African Breeze Property Group. Mawuvela kanje from Tsolo uzebona naye still next to Kawashi ibhaliwe African Breeze. You can go there, drop your CV bafethu.
Mawuyehla uyale it's on your left, it's on your right hand side.
Okay.
Okay.
A requirement metric bafethu. The requirement is only metric bafethu. So ungaphuthela bafethu ungahlala ekhaya uzothatha senplug. Siyanplug at Facts and Laughs bafethu yangithola. Yeah, so I'm gonna advertise after. Yeah, I'm gonna advertise some houses for you. As I told you, ukuthi nama mphakathi bafethu yangithola. Yeah, as you know bafethu, if now you are looking for a house bafethu, you can call your agent Lefala Badim bafethu at 067 000 7870 bafethu. I repeat, if you want a house or a property or a land bafethu or renting, buying bafethu, you can call Lefala Badim at 067 000 7870 bafethu. Yeah.
Ay
Injani?
Injalo. As usasho ukuthi usabaplaka kuma job opportunities kanjalo no Nandi Maditu yamcava.
Nandi Madita, I think I know her.
Nandi Madita nayo lola
amadoda.
Yes.
Nandi Madita lo sisilo uthi amadoda yenzani?
Uthi nasi story sakhe. Uthi Nandi Madita sparks conversation about the struggle of black African men. And Nandi Madita has sparked an online conversation about the realities faced by black South African men following a candid discussion on the El Tido podcast. In a recent interview with musician and entrepreneur El Tido, the musician, presenter, and podcaster reflected on her journey in the spotlight, her marriage and her career. As the conversation unfolded, it shifted from personal storytelling to a broader reflection of systemic, yes, inequality, masculinity, and economic pressure in South Africa. Nandi Matita spoke about the financial strain many South African men experience within systems that often work against them. She emphasized with the weight of societal expectations, arguing that black men are frequently judged by their ability to provide, succeed, and maintain a certain lifestyle, despite structural barriers that make
Period.
these expectations difficult to achieve. She went to suggest that black South African men should be given more grace. Nkosi yami.
Should be given more.
Grace.
Oh.
Uyakhuluma le ntombi, uyakhuluma. Hawu. Nothing that social media has amplified unrealistic standards of success and wealth. According to Madita, the digital age has blood, you're not there, sorry, Nkosi yami. The line between inspiration and reality, creating pressure for people to perform prosperity in their everyday lives.
Kanti ufuna ukufunda uzisiqede.
Eh?
Ufuna ukusifunda uzisiqede. Awubona nesamara ukuthi utheni. Because uyafunda yes,
Yes.
Ubula ngithi sesifundela ukuthi prove ukuthi
Yeah.
uthola ku social media.
Okay.
Hey.
Onandi Matita olwela amadoda ukuthi like ngayibeka kanjani. Always like uyabona abafazi ukuthi banjani. Indoda kwamele yona ethathe 100% provider yonke into ini akafuna ukunegotiate kanjalo yangithola na kuma and aba understand ukuthi noma i-out like kunzima ukuthi i-out ithola umsebenzi lengaphandle. Uyangithola izinto ezikanjalo uyangithola. So yena ulwela amadoda, ukhulumela amadoda, usukumela amadoda ukuthi like waboneni amadoda ukuthi nawo ane responsibility engakanani. Uyangithola izinto ezikanjalo. There's nama comment abashoyo abo riding. Ithi ngikuvulela ama comment.
Abo dade. Oh. Akuduthi abo dade.
Okay. Igama lakho uthi I buy black yani. Igama lakhe.
La ku Facebook.
La ku angazi ukuthi iclimber.
Oh.
I understand Nandi and I also understand the girlies. Do black men have it hard because of the system? Yes, they do, but the girls have a right to say they don't want a relationship built on struggle. Yes, they do. Nobody is wrong. Nonke ni right.
So lothi yapatena uthubani
I buy black.
uthenga ubumnyama. Uright uthenga ubumnyama ngoba uright athi they are both right because of I think angithi manje sesiyabona ukuthi kuphiliwa kanjani since they introduced the 50-50 and then I guess like manje if ufuna umfazi you must go for what you want cause manje there are different types of women angeke ukuthi wena ufuna i-housewife ufuna umfazi ohlala endlini ozokhulisa abantwana bese uhambe uye angazi ngayibeka kanjani uye tavern uyothatha intombi le uthi uzebeka endlini is impossible because lo muntu lo every weekend uyahamba e-tavern because unomthola e-tavern.
Sure.
You understand? So kumele if manje ufuthi ufuna umfazi thola umfazi okulevel yakho vele.
And enye into engizwile like benginelinye groupman lapha ekhaya licashe lapha ekhaya eli doctor ngithola
there was necessary ukuthi ufake ukuthi he is a doctor.
Skisi yo.
Yeah.
Kube ngathi ngiyabreak.
You don't even
say
his name, you just say this Hortman is a doctor. Kanjalo.
Akithi bengisafuna ukumbiza. Okay, askisi ke kube ngathi ngiyabreak askisi. No, like okay. Bekunale conversation le ivele like yaqala so sudden nje. Yangithola. Yathi uyobona Bhengane yangithola izinto ezikanjalo ngathi ha Grootman nake fihli akunanako dilotshiwe yangithola aribyang muno watse uba urwanyakega motho ya ko life ka re ka tseba bata akunanako ari na advice ka ufang yona mfana kore wa bona if awuna nako o ka se tsi motho o plomleng ko strateng wa jola le yena because yena o uphila asefonini uyangithola ahlezi asefonini u expect ama good morning good night ngenze in so it's better ukuthi uthole umuntu lo ospana naye ukuthi uzo understand ukuthi ngiyenzani ngalesikhathi isikhathi so uyangithola
hayi doctor ngempela serious doctor ngempela hayi doctor serious hayi na maru ringe var for example uyakhumbula ngilokhu ngithi ngisemathandeni Matshene 1 nango sihlukene manje ngencengena lento le ukuthi umuntu mamtshela ukuthi mfethu kumele ngishude umuntu ubona ngathi wena sowujola nabanye cause futhi long distance relationship ubona ngathi wena sowudlabanye lana mina kumele ngishude ngipost content kodwa manje Sundowns ikhiwe kumele ngenze content Sundowns esibanda uright lo mjidi uright cause lo yena expect ukuthi wena kumele umnike isikhathi lesi yena naso
sure
wena ngaleso sikhathi awunaso
but yazi leyo bengicabanga lento leyo ne but bengicabanga lesipane sesithuna ukuthi kunama consequences but ngiyabona ukuthi uvela athi nca mfana wona weak wena
ama consequences wani ngesipane sisenzayo
amfethu ucabanga uzo actor nomuntu ujole naye ne iceda waqeda bathi bamgayenye isini nomunye umuntu lapha izinto ezikanjalo mfethu oringicabana beside lezo ne oringicabane nina le yangithola yeah manibuya ngapha banigaye
iscript sokuthi nani act
yabona izinto ezikanjalo nibe professional ungitshela ukuthi nibe professional kanjani ngabona nami ukuthi yabona
yena uring var kumele nikwazi ukubalance and like acting phela like ungakhokhe ukuthi njengoba usho ukuthi ubathu bani ntombazana lo actor izole rato ku deep seat nizosicolela guys these days sokhuluma ngao-acting singama-actor we have to bathu bani ntombazana ukule rato acting ku deep seat
konje bathu bani
ngikhokhile igama lakhe
ngikhokhile into bengishilo izolo manu
ezoshilo ukuthi say now he's now married, he's no longer playing la role ubufebe ngithola now mawuno umuntu wakho lo ntombazana lo bathu bani bekadlala ezuphela kumvamo intombazana umfazi kaSenzo like akavume yena icontract yakhe vele akavumela ukuthi akhise you understand uyasayina lento lokuthi mina ngishadile ngivumela ukuthi ngikhise hawukhelo
ngilikhohlwa kanjani legama bengithi ngilikhohlwa ngilikhahla kanjani legama hawukhelo munama
legama hawukhelo
alinani
uyazi le joke lethi cabanga use clinic i-doctor i-certified ize kuwait my timing I'm sorry to say this but you are suffering from hawukhelo awubulawa yahawukhelo mfana
ile hawukheli yamalethhe
ngathi disease ngisibeka wena usukuthola khoneni ubhiza khoneni ubhema intsango ngithi mathami ngini into le mfana ngiphethe ihawukhelo mfana ngiphethe mfana ngiphethe ngamasende mfana ihawukhelo mangithi ngiyangapha ihawukhelo mfana mangithi ngiyangapha ihawukhelo
usakhuluma ngeclinic kanje ngicela ukukhipha into like ngicela ukukhipha enye into engihlukumezile nkosi yami
sizobuya acting or sachubekayo uzobuya kusivala le topic yakho mele ubeke ifoni yakho ku fly mode hayi silent ukuze bangakutholi total
it's a drop eqala yeah konje
uthi khipha isifuve
yo
isifuve
bekunini nge-19 mngani wami ngithi nge-18 mama maku ngingenela like ngilele kuzovukela i-19 ngiyangithola ngivelwa into angazi ukuthi irush or yini lento ebusuku like ngivuka ngakuma 2 ekseni
yeah
ngapuma 2 or 2 ngiyavuka lento leyangwayisa baba ngiyabona ngisalala wonke umzimba ngithe mangivuka ngesipilini ngithi ngiyabona sibale lento igcwele so angazi ukuthi yini sibali ngavusa uMawuleli ngamtshela angithi uMawuleli umuntu okugula vele unamapilisi so ngamcela allergex angikaya allergex bekuye one esele yokugcina vele ngayiphuza lento leya ngakhona ukulala the mangivuka seyinyamalele inyana sekusele ngathi yirush inyana yabona angathi decide ukuvuka ngeclinic 8 o'clock Galfontein bathi yini
Galfontein iboni clinic
khona la bathi baclean amaZimbabwe khona abantu not amaZimbabwe sorry abantu bangaphandle 24/7 bayinceda 24/7 nase nkosiyaphi nase gate kunabantu ukuthi mawungena ucheck iID ucheckwa iID uyangena ngangithola angithi bathi iclinic empty amaZimbabwe aphelile ngangithola ngithi why ngithi amaZimbabwe
ama-foreigner sorry mara by the way now ama-foreigner somehow
yeah abobhuti bethu bangaphandle abobhuti bami bangaphandle
uyilungisa fast
yes man so yeah angithema ngafika eclinic 8 o'clock bengingena eclinic ekseni ngiyangithola ngangena fere nya understand iqueue vele system ukuthi bafuna ukucheck ama IDs izinto zikanjalo ngiyangithola but bra the way bekusilunga khona guess ukuthi ngiphume esikhathi bani ngitshayise no doctor ngo 4 o'clock
uze ngo8
ngize ngo8
wabani
asiphoze ngokuchayisa ngo8 asangena babamba omunye ubhuti shemu waseMozambique shemu ubhuti wabantu weID bekafike ID since 2009
bekayifekile
since 2009 yangithola bambamba then asikho lapho ngisa explain story sami esibhlungu ngangena ngabuma 24 bengingena ku doctor
negazi yeah serious sifuna igazi lento
yeah ngabuma 24 ngabuma 24 bengingena ku doctor ane mangena ku doctor or ngisasadumesana dumelo sharp sharp uthweriking ngiphuma ilonda so angazi ukuthi yini allergy or yini yabona so are okay kupa ubona ngakhulula ijezi bengigcoka ijezi nje kuphela ngagcoka iskip so ngakhulula ijezi
mara ukhubula mase yakhubula
nawo ibeka Nobeka ngeyindlela ukuthi hey ngaba naked like oh yeah so ngakhulula ijezi yavela like akiboni next na so ka so treat ka ntwe kusayiboni tsama kontlong
yo
just imagine from ngo8
until azokunceda ngo4
nakhona ukunginceda ngakhona is not ukuthi uyanginceda it's like ithi ngifuna ukuchayisa mina ngiyahafula le line ukubona ukuthi ama manager wami ukuthi ahafulile line or kanjani I don't know unelaki shembe umama wabantu ukuthi angitholanga igama lakhe
ngisafuna ukubuza ukuthi wabonanga igama wabonanga
na unelaki shembe
manje from ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi from ngo8 wona ufike eclinic ngo8 or ngapast 8 yona le from ngalesi sikhathi le until ngo4 abantu laba bebaloku bayenzani sibali
cabanga ethi sithi kunomuntu ogulayo kakhulu ngaleso sikhathi uyafa usebhenjini uyafa usepenshini true nasi ngiyakutshela Brian uyafa noma bathi iclinic empty ngoba amalentuzana ama foreigner ahambile it's a lie iclinic igcwele kanje ama doctor wekho awasebenzi not ukuthi awekho awasebenzi angabakhona ilantsha khona mfethu like ahambe umuntu maybe ngaboma 3 maybe ngo2 abuye ngo3 abuye yeah ilunch ngiya understand makabuye uyoqala ukutreata ngo3 uyenzani all along
and obvious ukutreata ngo3 ngo4 uyachayisa ukusho ukuthi sekasele 30 minutes
yes
30 minutes uthatha abantu ayi2 bese uyachayisa
mfethu i-patient lapha i-patient e1 lapha be-treat 1 hour i-patient e1 1 hour ukungena i-patient udoctor iphume iya kunye buya angazi ukuthi yenzani angali maybe angaba ku maybe le difficult le patient leya I find it difficult ukuyinceda ne ayacela assist kwenye riding ngomunye doctor but not each and every patient ukuthi ngokwamelo makangena uphume
wena uphume
not each and every patient
uthela mawungena vela athi shikamaris
mfethu
okay ngiyabuya
ahambile
makabuya konje utshora king
ubuya phethe intophuzo or something
konje utshora king
mfethu
ngicela iphilisi drop
or
PPS angabuthi
and lapha bayenza ukuthi
effects and laughs guys
lapha bayenza ukuthi abantu ma qualification lapha bathengile allegedly
uyithatha phona le ukuthi abana ama qualifications manje awuzenazi
hayi mina ngizwa amabarbar allegedly ngizwa amabarbar lapha le clinic lapha mabayicala leya mabayicala ngithi bekunale yakudala le mabayirenovate abayicala le laba doctor labo bofike lapha ya bebangafikanga like lama qualification bese bathenga ukuthi like
bathenga lama qualification
yes ukuthi ivule le operate le riding le izinto ezikanjani allegedly amarinjalo hawo allegedly
ngayenzeka cause I don't know which episode was it sike sakhuluma ngomunye uthisha wasempumalanga uthisha more than 9 years and amaphutisha ama-matric akaphasa loya mama loya abantwana bakhezi baphuma number 1 only to find out ukuthi akana matric uyifojile le matric leya
yo
mara bebaphasa mara iChristian abakayenza umsebenzi unlike labo ukuthi uyayazi ukuthi lento leyo nayo uyifojile mara ubese uzofuna ukuthi le
utotoso amara
lento le nabona umuntu ofoja i-certificate lento le ukuthi uye emsebenzini lento le ngekho passionate ngayo uyenza lento le engayifuni just uyalapha just for sake of money that thing is wrong
mfethu.
And if these people of government angazi why government doesn't do this ukuthi they should send every facility should have ama inspect they should send someone just wearing just a t-shirt like me like this have a silent camera or hidden camera somewhere here and then go to those public clinics and public hospitals just sit like this and check the service report every day so that people will have food to work. Because doctors every day are just relaxing, teachers are just relaxing. Even teachers are better because they're expecting results. Yes. Doctors, what are they expecting? Even police I don't know if they are doing it these days in Teguti. We're expecting you to arrest maybe 5 people per day. They should also do that. Even doctors, they should be able to assist or help 50 people or more per day.
Labo la intuzane lamaphoyisa babamba labo botbethu lapha ngaphandle babuya babakhiphe imali.
Yo nendaba mfana.
Ngiyadlala nkosami mina ngiyadlalela.
So Iponi Calfontaine Clinic, please do better guys. Do better. And nakona, but I think another thing Nyege City, because of they chase away foreigners there, now there will be space. No. Since baningi nathi vele sigcwele.
Angali but kwamele mfethu le ayiclinic.
Awungalinami. uyibona
mara kwamele understand ukuthi clinic leya mfethu clinic I'm sure ukuthi mfethu akwamelanga mfethu uyakula lapha yakwamelanga uhlala na more than 2 hours and maybe mfethu uyakula mfethu. It's not like uyathatha imali ebank
to ngo4
mfethu udleni woqala udleni
hayi
mawugula
hayi lo mtita phela 37 minutes
cabanga
ngidoctor mina
okay isibhedlela sinama balloon cost bonapha ngiya understand bekuyi women's ward awareness ngiya understand but uze uphama umntana amabhaluni ukuthi adlalise esibhedlela kunabantu abanama high ama in
cabanga manje bhala
nkosi yami come on hayi
mani ngazwanga la angazi
mfethu serious
kunenkinga ngaphenge pandemic amantombazana
before singena lapha sibuyele angithi besisakhuluma ngama actor
hayi siyaphuma isikhaphela sinesikhathi la
okay
kune pandemic serious la amantombazana bathi they should be aware of ambatha ngathi ama pads lana wadwade
the sanitary pads and the panty liners that we are wearing, according to the University of the Free State research, the very same sanitary pads that we have in South Africa are interrupting and are harmful to our reproductive system.
For sure.
There's a story that you and I need to discuss. A study from the University of the Free State has found hormone disrupting chemicals in every sanitary pad and panty liner tested from brands sold in South Africa. It is a study that was done by the University of the Free State. Now, this particular study also found that the hormone disrupting chemicals include within those sanitary pads that are labeled organic or chemical free. So the sanitary pads, the panty liners that are also labeled organic or chemically free, it has been found that they contain hormone disrupting chemicals in every sanitary pad and panty liner tested in South Africa.
uyayizwa lengosi
ayizwa kubhedwe
kubi kumnyama ngiyayihlela kuyakhuphuka
like ngathi ziningi different like lebe ngiphethe nami bekhuluma ngama pets namalentuzana ba pets ema panty liner nalezo but nalezi zinto lezi sizigcobisayo
awu
ukuthi like nazo sinama chemical maybe nami ngicine ngisola ukuthi lawo lokungwayo lokabe ngokuphethe lo uzofika kanjani that itching I had ukuthi maybe mhlambe iphuma kuzo lezi zinto engizigcobisayo ngicine ngicabanga kanjani
wena semdibu
ngisagcobisa idon ngicobisa ivaseline manje cabanga
we changes after or we change before
after the itching leya but still is a itch
manje show ukuthi akusinkinga wena akunanto eyidlayo okwenza ukuthi u-itch
like uma uledo wami akagawula ifish iyam itch nami like mangigawu ifish lethin fish nami mangigawula inokung itch but not that much ukuthi ngizi-itche like inoba phedile yangithola manje yena akalali nokulala
uyidlile lethin fish wena
yeah
nini
and namhlanje it's Saturday I think Monday
sesiyazinqaya manje
ngani manje
maybe iyo le fish le ngabo manzini yeah uyavuma
anzamba
yeah hayi ezingishilo bafeyo hey niyeza mantombazana namajita they say we should also protect our women because of their sanitaries there, actually not sanitaries but women pillows out there which are affecting our women bathi banama chemical ukuthi affect amantombazana wethu ngaphansi nesibumbu sokuzala
ukufundela ama comments
wena lento le funda sisi
Kune-one engijove kakhulu yabo. Okay. Uhlobisile uthi just finished my period and the rush is so painful. Rose Makate uthi those who use cloth like me gather here we are safe. Yeah, ladies, if you want to be safe, I don't know the cloth or abakhuluma ngayo lana. Ask other ladies and other women. They will tell you which cloth they are talking about, and you will be safe as well.
So after ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi le cloth le after lapho uyayiwasha. Ubekhe serious le. Hey uthini we?
Angazi. We lento le mabaceda ukukushaya injection bawuyenza ngayo yi.
Leya uvile phumile.
Akusihloti le yani.
Yovula bathini leya i-cotton.
I-cotton leyo.
Igazi lakho na obviously.
Izo aphansi. Ihloti
obviously ukhuluma ngendwangu ukuthi ufake indwangu.
Indwangu.
Yona le vele le-study kudala bathi kudala abafazi bayenza njalo because there was no pets in Africa what thought that because of poorness.
Mfethu enjalo. Lo fakani ama-clothes girls. Kamira uthi I'm not surprised honestly. It makes sense why every 3 days the woman I meet has a PCOS and I have PCOS. PCOS is a polycystic what?
Penis.
It's what syndrome? Overall syndrome.
Oh, polycystic ovary syndrome. Manje une polycystic ovary syndrome.
Ungangazi ukuthi ngihleka into ongayazi ngoba the uyideliver ngakhona like you are surprised man.
Amantombazane yiwa nama ovary thina sinamasende so we got ama testicles. We don't have ovary.
Sure. So yeah, yena unezinto zakhe. Makasho.
Yeah.
Usky incense uthi mina as angenza ngihla yeah uye lo. Muzi uthini open your ears. Mina angenza ngihlale ngihoni. Yo bengiloko ngibuza ukuthi what's up.
Lo ngazothahleza hona blame ama pets. Phela ama lo muntu lo muntu ema-preton 3 days or 5 days or 7 days. After the 7 days lena mahleza honi manje isho ukuthini le isasele ile effect le pets leya. Ubani la ngazengala ngathi akathi makazoyithanda azothi ama pets mayithanda umuntu ethanda
Sky incense
makalo bhontshisi makayeke uyidede ibhontshisi wakhe ipheke. Hawu oyekile ama pets abantu ayikho le. Hawu
yeah
hey kuvi
uthi uScorpio uthi it explains the cramps and overflowing itching then scratching so bad till blisters. I was asking myself if I'm now allergic to pets. Nice.
So be careful out there guys. Lama brand lawa babalile lawa ngisawakhumbule mina, be careful ngawo ningasawathengi ama brand girls otherwise asifuni ukuthi next time asingibambile lapha kumele senze LJ lapho na so wenze zakho ayithola
Nkosi yami.
Hey
bathi ama pampers lawa ama context ama always lawa
nama always bayibalile always manje bagcokile bayinocokala mantombazana
yonke bathi nama tempo what bathi
nama tempo lawo hey plus penalty ungena phakathi sibaba uyahala abantu babulela lamantombazana elingena phakathi tempo
sure yekuthi
abantu bulala ba girls
angikho sure ayinjalo Nkosi yami injalo ayisho isabazwela nkosi yami.
Hey,
Isabazwela
by the way, as African properties, we are selling property lana guys. Hey, akuli. Aniyamfa magels mara kuzolunga sizoyifighta lento le. Do you think ukuthi lento le maybe iyenza abantu ukuthi maybe they are trying to sabotage our country? Like people like other president who doesn't like our country, who's saying our country is so genocide, something like that.
Angazi maybe ngaba ukuhlangene links nalezi zinto lezi zamalentuzana. Angithi yabona kahle kahle i-country ethinjani nama-drugs awasafuni nokuphuma. So bayazi ukuthi angithi ama-drugs nawo mawangaphuma umnotho
Hayi umnotho labantu laba abadlayo laba ama-politician anyeke basake. Umnotho uyeke ama-drugsini.
So yeah, so kushuthi mhlambe nawo lamalentuzana lama-chemicals lawa angazi ukuthi ba-mix up kanjani ngale. Or futhi engathi awazenzwa la lezi zinto ne.
I think
it's not originally made in South Africa.
Search lapho mina ngiba ngi-advertise.
Okay.
Yazi bafethu, there is a property lana bafethu, Deep Sloot bafethu. Is a 3-bedroom house bafethu. This property bafethu is located in Deep Sloot bafethu, and it also consists of the following bafethu. In a kitchen bafethu with wall units and scullery bafethu. Is very big and open sitting room and dining space bafethu. Bath plus toilet bafethu, they are separated bafethu. Main bedroom is inshore bafethu. Other bedrooms with no wardrobes bafethu. So this property is a corner house and has a wall plus gate, razor fence bafethu. One outside cottage with its toilet inside. There is an outside toilet also bafethu. The house is approved and plans and a single garage bafethu. So the house bafethu is only 850,000 bafethu. Lengri se Deep Sloot bafethu. Whereas now if you want to invest in property bafethu, na chance bafethu, you can call your agent bafethu at 067 bafethu 00067. Call your agent at 067 0007870 bafethu. Yeah. Let me show you other houses because ziningi bafethu. Lengri zengisthengisayo bafethu. Uyathola le information lapho.
I got it, bro.
Yeah, awuthi ngishaye yokugcina. Naye enye bafethu, beautiful 2-bedroom house bafethu eDaveyton bafethu is on sale. Lena ke bafethu, this is 2-bedroom house, offers a particular layout with a plenty of potential. It features a single bathroom, a functional kitchen, and a welcoming lounge that flows into a dedicated dining area, perfect for family meals and gathering bafethu. A cozy TV room adds extra for relaxation bafethu, while a double garage provides ample room for vehicles and storage. Neza bafethu, it holds the promise for becoming truly wonderful home with some care updates. You will have a charming president situation, nice neighborhood bafethu. It's a Daveyton lena ke bafethu is only 750,000 bafethu. Yes bafethu, if you have a family bafethu wazi ukuthi you want family yakho ukuthi ihlale comfortable bafethu, just bafethu call or WhatsApp your agents bafethu at this number which is 067 0007870 bafethu. Yeah, it's in Apple info.
The info tells me that context it's made in South Africa.
Oh.
Pampers it's made in America.
Oh.
Pampers amapets ayingikhomba ama-Pampers straight for kids.
Oh.
Yes, it's made in America, but the context like it's made in South Africa, you understand straight. So in South Africa yiyo kahle kahle ifuna
ukusibulala.
But so yeah, serious ifuna ukusibulala South Africa.
Yes.
Ifuna ukusibulala South Africa serious like I don't know ukuthi kungayenzwa kanjani now ezusishilo ukuthi kwamele baye clinic njengoba like ama private investigator bayo investigator le now kulama chemical lawo la bayenza khona lama pampers lawo aba manufacture khona lama pampers lawo kwamele bafike nabo lapha kahle kwamele kube na isakhuluma ngama company mngani wami
yeah
allegedly so
yeah
bathi kune company ayinyange ibize nge fly by night or in
Yeah.
like it's a side hustle business like bangena i day ane ne night yangithola i day umuntu okhona it's permanent yangithola uhola maybe boma 600 ngelanga estimated yangithola izinto enya estimate 600 ngelanga then uhola night shift he is not permanent uhola 300 but dangerous nomsebenzi ngoba the way bakhuluma ngakhona mangibazi ukuthi like engathi bayenza hey allegedly songo siya kuda yidinga minister officer la ka minister liphezulu
how
no ngakhola
inkinga webheke ezinye pandaga ukhiphe kwami office la ka minister
yeah le phezulu and I don't know ukuthi it's 14 or 48 something floor yangithola
yeah
but like bafaka ceiling
oh
uyangithola but ceiling like yabona bathi lo machine lo ama cement is busy running non-stop all night and umuntu okhona maybe bakanje i-steps angithi umuntu okhona ugibela 2 steps or 3 steps ugaya lo munye ugibela 2 steps kanjalo yangithola engathi forklift yangithola bayenza abantu i-forklift kumsebenzi we-forklift bathatha abantu bayosebenza
forklift
but mfethu urisk uyazi mfethu the bakhuluma ngakho bathi le phezulu mawubheka phansi mfethu like ubona umuntu angaka mawulahlela ilitshe or something elifika fast icabanga wona mawungasuka
uze bani wena
uzabantu like custom la
basebenza lapha
yeah
manje bakhalelana ngoba bahola 600
rand
angithiwe ba choose night
singakhuluma angalo umsebenzi but it's dangerous bekwamele Nike naye like the way uyazi ngikhulumela ini ngithi besakhulumela ngama management the way iSouth Africa isibulala ngakhona yangithola ukuthi nabo bayasibula umsebenzi wama forklift nama yangithola bawopha abantu
labantu laba bangafuna umsebenzi o risk or dangerous they should submit their CV bafethu ku African Breeze. African Breeze bafethu is a property group company bafethu is now providing us bafethu with the internship bafethu. If you want to this internship bafethu, send your CV bafethu on African Breeze 1.co.za or you can call them bafethu, call the main office bafethu at 081-307-8316 bafethu. Yes bafethu, ukuthi ningabe risking bafethu.
And you buy and sell and help people. You see, the value help people. You help people so that you get off the risk. Shilo ngathi silung dawe sami
kunenkinga la kunomunye umjida la ushaye dayede mfethu. Ushaye usisi wakho ngawubuya ngale ngaphandle.
Wenzeni?
Ushaye usisi wakho ubuya ngale ngaphandle ipolice.
Police
foreigner, a policeman has assaulted foreigner because of you see these police officers, those bahamba baha collector not Jojo but collecting those foreigners because of they don't have passport. If you don't have passport, you're getting arrested. Not collecting but arresting them. Arresting those foreigners. So this one shoguti it happened ukuthi they arrested her. They wanted to arrest her, but she only to find out that she has a passport. But they say this policeman assaulted her and also took out his gun amshaya ngempama ngesibhamu, and this lady was bleeding also saying ngine passport mina ungishayela
passport mina unchayelani passport ngilayo
asambe sepolice station athi bheka asambe
asahamba ngihambi la ngiyafuna ikhasi ngiwani angihambi lawo
so manje
angihambi lawo
awufuna ukuthi ngihambe
unchayelani
awufuna ukuthi ngihambe
ubuza ukuthi unchayelani
awufuna ukuthi ngihambe
ubuza ukuthi unchayelani
bona le
unchayelani
manje awufuna ukuthi ngihambe
dubula
awufuna ukuthi ngihambe manje
dubula
awufuna ukuthi ngihambe
ungichayelani ungachaya wena ngoba basi ungichayelani hayi
good awuthoniphile ifoma wenza so bheka umuntu wami
vulela ikhasi ngiyayithatha number plate nakuvulela ikhasi akutshela manga ngiyayithatha number plate nakuzela ngona ngiqomule la nakutshela
uyabona manga ngakhulumela la ngizokudubula bona kayisho muva muthomo uyabona manga
dubula
angithi manje uthi
dubula ngoba ngepassport mina angifuni
so angazi ukuthi lana what happened is a matter of this lady maybe ube rude and never provided the passport, or this guy ube rude just because of he expected this lady not to have a passport.
Yes, angithi remember abobhuti bethu bangaphandle abobhuti bangaphandle our foreign brothers like mabazwakala ngapha baya connecta yabona baba bonke abanama passport abanganama passport izinto zakanjalo bayazwakala bayabumbana they unite yangithola so lapha yawuthola ngibone ngathi bayehle quantum or yini laba plus but these days kuna lento lokuthi bamisana ukuthi bayehle izinto ezikanjalo so uthola ukuthi lo munye lo ngibona abambe umunye umjida kucala raf yangithola mhlambe lo ya umjida lo akana passport so beka expect ukuthi mhlambe nalomunye angabe ne passport or kanjani plus uyazi ukuthi ubazwa ngelanguage vele akuna ukuthi ubuze yangithola so avela abarafa abanodlame plus uyambona namakinope engathi aphumile Nkosi yami
so usho ukuthi lo muntu lo le paysa le expect ukuthi lo mama angabi ne passport, and then just
I'm
because
shy.
of lo mama she provided passport, then forced kumfaka ebonini noma ne passport.
I'm shy
Nkosi yami
nespam umbalo lokho
ngesibhamu pho angali ya sometimes uphunyembeza uyindoda mara ushamfazi ngesibhamu, she's not even a criminal. Yazi ma like if you are a policeman and then you are beating a woman with a gun while she's a criminal, while she's done something so cruel, we will understand you are doing a job. But at the end of the day, she's not a criminal. She provided a passport to you. Why do you have to beat her? You don't have that right to beat her just because of she's a foreigner, but you don't have that right to beat her. Yes, if her passport expired, take her to the police station, arrest her, deport her back home. There is no law that says beat these people so that they can go home. No.
akana ma qualifications.
Oh God.
Bona lo lady uyazi uyenzani una lokuthi ngicokile from uphoyisa akekho umuntu ozongitshela nesi ngiyiboss
Blue uniform.
So,
power abuse.
mina, I
Uqala
didn't
liyafona, uqala lisonwa.
I didn't see a need yokukhipha isibhamu because the lady was not armed.
Exactly. First
Yeah,
point.
yeah.
Yeah, the lady was not
Was
armed
not
when now
armed.
umkhiphela isibhamu for it.
Uyangithola so uphindo umshaya ngaso uvele loya kwamela boshwe Nkosi yami athi ngizokudubula futhi
Ngizokudubula
Oh.
mangaphuma la ngizokudubula.
oh
Thanks for the person lona whoever lo bekathatha ivideo asemuva nyazi naku we were arrested nawe. Sho ukuthi uphumile ngoba ukwazile ukuposta. Thanks for posting that video, making us aware ukuthi because you know why this guy I think he's so wrong, because I also saw my friend lapha post that mawuthole ulow akafuni uku understand nami ukhe angithola. my friend omunye umngane wami bathu justice kanje athi this guy is so harassment manje ngitry kumtexta lana ishayi one ticket simfonele sibona ukuthi uzoyizo
kanti into yala
into yala
nkosi yami
why call ingayi through direct
through
ila phela ngiconnecte ngebluetooth into
hayi lento le ayikho grand man ayi and nalamo green beans lawa nomkhubo okudayidini
ayenzana ama green beans
ukushaya abantwana babantu estradini
bano bashaya nje
angithi
ya penduli lo mjita so naye uthi lo mjita lo wamarasa naye ngiyayithola
bana lento lo ukuthi bona bagcoka uniform ba amabhoze angithola ngeke kuba yenze next
blue uniform power abuse hey
hayi
uyibonile le yeka direct leka mntwana kaMgabe wathi umntwana kaMgabe has shot angazi ukuthi yeah his mate ngathi umdokoleni
it's a guardian
it's a guardian
it's a guardian
oh guardian guy ne bathi umdokolile umntwana abantu sasibhekela is fighting for his life cabanga umuntu usuka leZimbabwe uzohlala la masemhlaliso yafika udubula abantu I so wish ukuthi labantu laba but kunomunye ngumzwile athi labantu laba badubulile they also from Zimbabwe so if vele udubula abantu bakibo vele ya lapho
manje
but if udubula abantu ba South Africa nyeke kusuka lazoqasha abantu bangapha buya badubule futhi
sakhuluma ngomntana wa president wase Zimbabwe unomunye wase Zimbabwe musician bathi Melody uyamazi igama lakhe street bathi is Chantel Shimonyo yes
Shimonyo
yes he's wanted to be konje wathi le gama lesilungu leli ngifuna le gama lesilungu la lo street ngilisho street
Shimonyo
yes Shimonyo extradition yeah the South African police seek extradition of Zimbabwean singer Melody angithola lo muntu lo engathi like ubanjwe in the firearm eCape Town
uya lo
hayi la
kuhle wena umzimbabweni lo
okucula lengoma lezabo zamashona kumba itayi
usicula ngale
yeah I think
so kuna musician eZimbabwe
babaninga mara
no mara ngisho ukuthi like kune musician like esingathi like amaphorisa you understand
bakhona baningi mara bakhona baningi nazo lezi ezala lezi zithanda ukuploma like us la zaya mosukulama concept khona la eSouth Africa bathi
abasijayela la
bathi ubani uSimba or bani not uSimba umntana kabo Simba
ubiza abantu kamagama basakudubula mengengena
umntana kabo Simba like uya kulama concept la yabo riding like afike like ama celebrity then bafike yacava ukuthi la kadabadela kanjani fika lahlela imali yazi abantu like amagig abantu abanemali ngithola
so inemali lentwana
ngicela mangifika kule gama lelo ukuthi bani uthi tu anazi
inemali lentwana
mara bonke obvious angithi no riding nemali why yena ngakho ukhulumisa zinye ngikhulumisa zinye bese khuluma ngoMelody since like afunwa 2017
jo
yeah dude
bathi wenzeni
like engathi udubula umuntu eCape Town like ubambe ne-firearm so like yeah izinto ezikanjalo. Let me
usafuna
touch
ukurida
you. Oh,
wasana sikhathi
okay.
yo hayi kuningi bafethu kuningi sokubona next week bafethu
Kunjalo kuningi. Yeah, so kunjalo bafethu sisavala.
anything to plug kaona nto plug follow us bafethu AM TV on TikTok and even on YouTube bafethu. We're gonna be posting skits with Deep City which is Bonga and Ringo bafethu. So yeah, even on this podcast the skits will be there bafethu. Angazi ngisifake ecaleni or egcineni lezi skits.
Skits I think singafake
egcineni
ngoba maybe singakhokha something ecaleni.
Yeah, we will work on that. Yeah, okay bafethu, you'll get the skits ecaleni egcineni bafethu. So yeah. Also follow us. Follow us here on Facts and Love second thing. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah.
Ezingishilo lawo bafuna umsebenzi bafethu khona umsebenzi. African Breeze. Aba around la local lapha eSpa next to i-lifestyle bafethu mawuyehla uzoyibona ibhodi ebhaliwe African Breeze bafethu on right hand side uzoyibona ebhaliwe African Breeze property group bafethu uyafika ulahlela i-CV requirement zonke matric there is internship lapha bafethu. So bazokufundisa about selling the properties and then you become your own agent bafethu. So yeah, abangekho around you should send your CV on African Breeze African Breeze 1.co.za bafethu. Yes bafethu.
And ayifuni taxi, ayifuni Uber.
Aba around ayifuni taxi, ayifuni Uber yangenyawo lapha.
Exactly.
Ucertify into zakho, ucertify amakhwipho wakho abe ne-date yamanje, istempe samanje certified, uze ne-proof of resident bafethu. Yeah
bafethu i-spoon feed esingaka beningasithola phi inkosi yami. Banifakela yonke into bandlisa kahle kahle.
Sivani sicela nesiphala ukazophuza amanzi wakho.
Ngiwaphuzile amanzi
manje.
Okay bafethu ezishilo ayeye catch us on AM TV on TikTok, YouTube and Facts and Love on YouTube and advertisement on TikTok kanjalo. Please catch me on my timing on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Please support, subscribe, like, comment, share, and what else? Monday, hey, bruh, I'm going. Wait, do you know? Oyingoma way.
Shayo usuku.
Who's the artist?
Akusuthandisa mazai.
I'm going to meet Thandiso Mazai
on
Monday, my bra.
Yeah.
It's a workshop on state in South African State Theatre on Pitori. She's a hoster. A South African State Theatre has hosted, but hosted her as a hoster.
Oh.
Yeah.
Kungena ngamathikiti or ningena mahhala.
It's like angithi besine show lesidlalile last lapha. So it's a workshop yalezo zinto lezo. So like engathi uhambisa amagama ku director wakho in ten.
So ujabulela ukubona uThandisa Mazwai?
Yes,
or kunabanye abantu?
Abanye abantu mfethu lapha like I theater yazi ukuthi ayikho public as a media.
Ukusho ukuthi ujabulela ukubona uThandisa Mazwai?
Yes, ngijabule singile state theater ngijabule ke state theater mngani wami.
Mara 2000 asaye
yes like yeah umuntu oshute no Michael Jackson no Mandela
zenzile lazi cancel yonke lenyaka yenzile in this world ikist ngaba kuza haro sisithi sheme his soul rest in peace bengizoyangigijima hayi
ngitshela
hambe mbona ngifuna ukuyisa confidence hambe mbona umazali hayi
wenzeni afuna ngokuhlabela mama yathanda umntwana ufuna ngithanda mama yathanda mina
konje Thandisa Mazwai lo sikhumba thamashisho akaqala la khophuka athi akusimo sikhumba asikhumba usikhumba athi ayakophuka oh hayiso untsiki mazwayi lo ya
angihleki mina
untsiki mazwayi lo sikhumba bayakhuluma yakusothandi yo
wena
askis thandiswa mazwayi yazi kune different bit akusabantwana bomuntu akusabantwana bomuntu labantu laba ithi ntsiki mazwayi for sure phela nyeke basherise name askis from Shemthandi
ayo bayisesho isaname
leyo ntsiki mazwayi hey untsiki uye ngamthandi yaliza nalegama ntsiki igama elinjalo lalelo ngathi umuntu ntakontsika wena nakubjela lokuta la ntakontsika utebhabhere shesh esibala phela
uthi ubani lo ntsiki
ntsiki mazwayi siyavala or safuna ukubabona sintsiki mazwayi siyavala la hawu lemjida kazimisela ngokuvala nabo Cortis ngapha bathi yamazi Cortis
ubani
uCortis
yes Thandiswa Mazwayi sister to the poet Ntsiki Mazwayi. That's why now it makes sense because they are all thespian ithunywa ze theater.
Sorry Thandiswa askisi sham but your sister I hate her Ntsiki
uyakuzonda lo bhuti yambona mina ngiyakuthanda mina ngithanda wonke umuntu la emhlabeni la
mina angibathanda abantu abacindezela amadoda abafazi abacindezela amadoda women who want men to go down
Ntsiki Mazwayi lobo usho yena ukuthi ngamzonda le
marunga mzondo wena ngithi awazi
mina ngazi mina ngiyangizonde mina ngeke yabona
bafithi siyavala bafethu follow us to aye 59 lefala wall Sundowns lefala badim enginamakhanta bhaya nami yini asazi
lefala badimu
lefala badim aye TV lento sayichange le ayisekho nje
kanjalo
uyenze lento le isibali
yabo abadlela ekanjalo shout out to Thandiswa Mazwayi ngoku-inspire and empowering young artist ngokwenza i-workshop kanje ukuthi abagcugcuzele ngenye ukuthi nabo baba yithunywa ze theater baba ama thespian. Thank you sivala kanjalo sithi we as AM ayeye and my timing ifambatane pfalatane re ikhensile kume ibukhelile mi nkarhi wan'we
ukhule ngizulu silanda ngesishanga
na ngidecide ukuyivala ngesishanga
ngeke bakuze ukuthi yavala bayithi yavula
okay azivala
karefambile ne asithi
okay sivala kanjalo bafethu sithi siyabonga nesikhathi senu nokudonsa ama handbrake sithini we
yazi ukhelini uyangihlolela serious
yini manje la
tati itimela bro
hayi ngiyehlisa mfowethu ome kancane
yini yasika
ya manje ukuthi izinto zami azihambi kahle umndeni wami uyahlephuka la yabona if bengindoda yangempela bengizobhekela umndeni wami no singaba kayenzanga le crime le ngoba bezama ukuhlanganisa extra cash
lencosi siyahlupa yazi mara mfana bekunendlela eningi ukuthi lo muntu angahlanganisa ngazo yazi
ya ngiyakuzwa kodwa ifault yami ukuthi lo mfana ufile lo nakuyona kanokha
ngisiphuma la manuma kwala yazi wena uyathanda ukumushela umuntu la ngiyazi man bamba